Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have 3 new ponytails in stock. We're gonna go over the feature and we're gonna do our little unboxing just to show you our textures and our caps. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get into it. Our first is Lupe. It is a 16-inch curly ponytails. What's great about ponytails is that they're easy to apply. Anybody could do it. You don't need professional help, and it is a quick way to get a stylish look on the go. So each of our ponytail comes with a protective hairnet that is wrapped around the ponytail just to keep the curls and the ponytail in place. Also comes with a little bit of packaging. So each ponytail is featured with an adjustable drawstring, which comes with a little clip that once you press it in, you can pull it down or up. So pulling it down loosens the ponytail, pulling it up makes the ponytail tighter. Right now we're gonna pull it down to show you the cap. This is our breathable mesh cap. It is very stretchy, so it doesn't matter if you have a small ponytail or a large ponytail, it will definitely fit. Each ponytail comes with 2 combs, one at the top and one on the bottom. To close a ponytail, all you would have to do is grab your adjustable strap, pull it down, and you can pull it to the size of your ponytail. And there you got it. A really easy look on the go. Lupe comes in 8 different colors. So we do have our natural black and our brown, which is 1, 1B, and 2. Then we have a few highlighted colors for you. So we have F27, T1B30, T1BBG, T1B copper, and T1B ginger. So we have a lot of fun colors for you in store. Moving on to our Loretta in 24-inch. This is a long ponytail. It is similar to Lupe, but on a longer length, and the curl pattern is much looser. Let's go ahead and remove it from the package. Take our protective hairnet off and our inside stuffing. Loretta comes in the same 8 colors, 1, 1B2, a new color which is ash, 27, 22, and 613, our F1B30, our F1BBG, our T1B copper, and T1B ginger. Loretta is featured with an adjustable strap at the back. So just go ahead and press that strap open to loosen. Inside, it's featured with 2 combs, one at the top and one at the bottom. These combs just help secure the drawstring ponytail to your head. The cap is very stretchy, so it doesn't matter your hair size, it can all fit in here. To close it, all you're gonna do is push down on the clip and pull it up, pulling it to tighten it around your circumference of your bun. Destiny drawstrings are beginner friendly and affordable, so you can do it yourself at home. And now for our final Destiny drawstring ponytail, Lucero, in the length 28-inch. This ponytail comes in 9 different colors. 1, 1B, 2, ash, 27, 22, 613, F430, T1B30, T1BBG, T1B copper, T1B ginger. The color that this ponytail is in T1BBG, which is a burgundy color that has a slight hint of 1B. This ponytail is quite long and luscious. The texture that this ponytail is featured in is a loose, full curl. It has natural movement and is made of premium realistic fiber and is heat safe up to 350 degrees. Because of that premium synthetic fiber, you will get that realistic look with our premium product. Again, each ponytail is featured with an adjustable drawstring at the back of each ponytail. Now let's talk about the cap. Each cap is breathable and it stretches, so it doesn't matter the size of your ponytail, it will fit right into our cap. As you can see, the cap is stretched to its max because I loosened it with the clip, but it's very easy for you to tighten the ponytail. Just go ahead and grab the end of your clip and strap and go ahead and just pull it in to tighten it. You're gonna tighten it to the circumference of your bun. You're gonna insert your clips and you have a beautiful, elegant hairstyle that you did yourself. Destiny drawstring ponytails are easy and beginner friendly. They are meant for you to do it yourself to create that elegant and seamless look. Choose our Destiny ponytails today.